on TV?
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
I will right now.
Yes, sir.
This trying
See you, Gardell.
when is this over? I think that car faster than mine, man. Oh.
I want to go to manual. Oh, get the fuck out of here, bro! Whoa. You a bitch for that.
Let's try to let him come back. Let's try to let you come back at the end. That's how I won the first time.
So I dropped my fork on the floor and napkin. That's not mine. Okay, I don't litter. They gave me cucumbers and I got salad, but since I dropped my fork on the
manual mode. Nacho Clan right here. What you gonna call your subscribers, bro?
Voting TV.
Voting TV. What's the name of your clan or your tribe? What's the name of your clan? Like everybody that fuck with y'all, like what's y'all? No, I'm just saying, cause look, alright, Sean got the Savage Squad. That's what it is. Yeah, we got Savage Squad. I'm people with Nacho Clan. You need some time to think on it?
See you, Gardell. I'm a snake. The whole squad. Shit.
I'm trying to ask him where his people is. Like, what's the name of them?
Oh yeah, we got the Slim Shadys.
The Slim Shadys?
Yeah, the Slim Shadys. It's my ring, man. It's too big. It's too small for my other fingers. Too big for my pinky. That's a chunky nigga problem.
Oh, you play that shit. Oh, you already Oh yeah, he wanna play something that he good in. You know what I'm saying? I understand. You wanna win some shit. You know, let me got that win stuff real quick. What was that?
Alright, full review. Quesadilla from the Quesadilla truck. Look at this shit. First of all, it's big as shit. It's like half the size of my face, and I got a big ass head. So that means
what you get? What you got in there? I'm hungry too.
Chicken quesadilla with cheese.
Oh, so it's just chicken and cheese in there? Is it only chicken and cheese?
This shit is fucking great. You need a plate.
I'm saying what's in the quesadilla?
Chicken and cheese.
That's all, just chicken and cheese.
Oh, and sour cream. Some shit like that.
Lettuce on the side.
Why you put it on medium for? I don't know this shit.
So that's green, red, yellow, blue.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I know.
The first one, you gotta strike at the same time. So you got 4.
Shit, bro.
You hit that shit. Go ahead, you got that.
I don't know this. That shit hurt.
Hey, this how you feel the coochie better.
This shit hurt. I don't figure that bit.
the best taco I had in like my whole time. Got a YouTube channel, but the little taco, man, over here outside of the stop button. If y'all in North Carolina, if you stop by, show it some love. This shit is great. Stop it. Anyway, have you had that before?
Ah, this shit hurt my wrist. But it feel like we at the gym. When is this over? Can I get a grilled steak? How you doing? I want a grilled steak quesadilla.
Grilled steak quesadilla, yes sir.
You got jalapenos?
We can add jalapenos if you'd like.
That shit my favorite right now.
Yeah.
That'll be $8, please.
Supposed to let your car warm up, bro.
Thank you.
Told he left the tampon.
Hola, tiempo. Can you have a name for the order?
Huh?
Can I just have a name for the order?
Nacho.
Sorry?
Nacho.
You got Instagram, man? I got Instagram.
Okay. Should be about 5 or 6 minutes.
Shit.
Huh? Yeah.
How you doing?
What's going on?
Thank you.
Oh, you want some? Can get,
We on live right now.
oh, it's a vlog, man. YouTube. Oh, what's up?
What vlog is this, man?
DraKons TV,
good.
man.
Drake-
DraKons TV. man.
DraKons TV?
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
I will right now.
Yes, sir.
Just trying to get a pack of Newport 100s, please.
TV. Drake on TV.
nice folds.
Oh, you are. I appreciate it, man. I try to stay
YouTube.
fresh when I'm out and
I typed it
about.
wrong. I typed it wrong.
You know what I'm saying?
It said Drake on TV.
Yeah.